Alrighty guys, today we're going to be installing this light bar, and I've already have it installed basically, other than the fact that it's not wired up yet, which is what I'm going to show you guys. So I got the Nightlight LED bar, 26 inches I believe. Link will be in the description. And then I ended up getting these little brackets for it, and it's just kind of clamped on there. I mean, it does move a little bit, but it ain't going nowhere. That's what I decided to do instead of drilling into it, since I already drilled in for the rad, which you might not have seen that video yet, but that video will be on my channel at some point. But I got these quick disconnects off Amazon. I'm gonna be able to quick disconnect it from the harness, make it easier for if I have to take the thing off to replace the battery, the top rack, front rack, because for some reason Yamaha decides to put the battery under here for some reason. So now if I need a new battery, I gotta take the whole rad off that I put on to get to the battery. Okay, so here's the harness. I already shortened it a good bit to put the quick disconnect on this side. And then all I gotta do really is just connect it up to the battery and come up and connect it to my switch that I already added, which this will be in the description as well. Okay, now that I got that off, need to connect some stuff up to the battery and hide the harness in here somewhere, I guess. It's pretty crowded already. I'm gonna have it always hooked up to the battery as well. This will plug into the harness, go right to the switch, and that should work. Alrighty, so I got the harness hooked up to the battery, and it works. Only problem is I shortened the harness already, and I need to shorten it a lot more. So I'll probably shorten it to like, I don't even know, a good little bit more, because this, I can't really hide it much more in here. So I'm gonna cut it about here-ish, and that should be plenty enough.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules my life destroyed.
Probably would be smart to disconnect the battery, so I'm gonna do this one at a time just to be safe. From the battery, actually, as I should say.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
That's pretty much it, guys. These will be in a link in the description. Find them on Amazon. Same with these heat shrink that have solder in them. I gotta cut this zip tie, but that's it. Ran up under there. Don't mind this wire. It's just my triple charger plugged in. But she's fucking bright. This is how much of the harness I cut off. This plus this. That's how much harness I cut off. That came with the one that I bought in the link in the description. Yeah. Flip the switch. She's on.